Here are the puppies playing, all in a heap. Oh, they're so much fun when they're this age. Just almost 6 weeks old. No, not really, just past 5 weeks, and I've just taped up their ears. And it doesn't seem to be bothering them at all. It's a tumble of puppies. Ah, you've got Hildy on her back, Shani. That doesn't happen very often, does it?
Are they paying attention to you?
I'm just making commentary for the camera, Mother. There's little Mickey and Shani now. She's going to pick on her brother. A little ear scratch to keep an eye on that.
That's not very nice, Maya.
Okay, that's enough for now.